Kyoto Library Skills Video, Finding Japanese Papers, CiNii Research. This series of 3 videos explains how to search for and obtain articles published in Japan. In this video, before starting the search, we will discuss various academic sources. First, let's take a look at the research process and academic information. Research begins with setting a theme or keyword and formulating a question. We then search and read previous studies in order to understand past research. Thereafter, we move on to consider, investigate, and experiment. Lastly, as the outcome of our efforts, we write reports, academic presentations, and papers. The products of our research, like papers, go on to become prior research, thus circulating the flow of research. At each stage of research, a variety of academic information is generated. First, the initial research generates experiment notes and research data. As research progresses, it is presented at conferences and is compiled in conference proceedings. A paper is then written and published in an academic journal. Content that becomes an established academic theory is compiled into books and encyclopedias. Initial experiment notes and research data are more recent information, but their evaluation is not yet established. The degree of certitude increases as you progress through conference presentations, articles, books, and encyclopedias and dictionaries. Therefore, sources of information to look for will vary depending on whether you are looking for new information or information with an established reputation. So, how should we use these various sources of information? Let's break them down into books, journals, and articles. First, books are the best place to get basic knowledge. They summarize certain established research results and provide basic knowledge, theories, and overviews. More and more academic ebooks are now available online. Use academic journals for ongoing monitoring of research in a particular field. These are published on a regular basis so that you can stay updated with developments in the field. It can be subdivided by specialty and contain the latest papers and articles. They are published by publishing houses, academic societies, universities, etc. In recent years, e-journals that are available online are being widely used. To obtain the latest research results on a subject, look for articles. Characteristically, such papers are relatively short, and each paper covers a subdivided topic. They are more current than books and are majorly published in academic journals. So far, we have looked at the characteristics of books, journals, and articles. When you want to learn about basics and established theories, then refer to books, including introductory books, new books, encyclopedias, and dictionaries. Use academic journals for staying updated on specialized knowledge. If you want to know about specialized information and the latest developments, refer to academic papers. There are different sources to look for, depending on your objectives. When gathering literature, make sure you know first what kind of information you are looking for and what sources it can be found in. Further, make sure you use the right tools when searching for each of them. Use Kuline to find books and journals. This is a tool for finding books and journals by title or theme, owned by Kyoto University. If you want to look up encyclopedias and dictionaries among books, use Japan Knowledge Lib first. This database allows you to search multiple dictionaries and encyclopedias at once and is suitable as an entry point for information search. There are many databases to search for papers. For example, CiNii Research for domestic papers, Web of Science for overseas papers. If your search is not successful here, you may also try using Google Scholar, a search engine for academic information. Learn more about CiNii Research in the following video. These are some of the academic information sources that precede the article search. Make sure you know what you want to look for and why you should search for it before you begin your search.